Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy and sell crypto on Changelly app. So here's a simple workaround for that. So for you to be able to buy crypto on Changelly app, you have to open the Changelly app on your mobile or go to the website, then tap the buy option on the home screen, then select cryptocurrency you want to purchase, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, then enter the amount you want to buy in your preferred currency. So choose the payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or any available payment method of your choice. Then make sure you review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and the fee. Enter your wallet address again, where the crypto should be delivered. Then confirm the purchase and complete the payment. And for you to be able to sell your crypto, it's very simple. Open the app, then tap the sell option, then choose the crypto you want to sell, enter the amount to sell, select your payout currency like USD or Euro currency, then provide your bank or your card details for receiving fund, review the details, then tap confirm transaction, then wait for confirmation. Your funds will definitely arrive once the network processes the transaction. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.